صباح الخير جانا.
صباح الخير.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you gonna wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that? What are you using?
Soap.
Show me. Can you show me that? Soap. What's soap in Arabic? Saboon. Can you say saboon?
Sabun.
Are you washing your hands?
Yeah.
What are hands in Arabic? Yadain. Can you say yadain? Yadain is hands. So what's one hand in Arabic? Yad.
Yes.
Yad.
Yes.
Hand. Are you washing your fingers now?
Yeah.
So what are fingers in Arabic? Asabi'. Asabi'. Fingers. So what is one finger in Arabic? Usba'. Usba'. Finger. What are you doing, Jana, now?
I'm putting my arms.
You're washing your arms?
Yeah.
What's this, Jana?
This is
An arm.
arm.
Can you say arm?
Arm.
Dhira'.
There
Dhira'.
are.
What are two arms? Dhira'ain. Arms. What are you washing, Jana? Is that an elbow?
Yeah.
So what's an elbow in Arabic?
I know.
Ku'.
Cool.
Ku'.
Cool.
Elbow.
Elbow.
What are two elbows in Arabic? Ku'ain. Ku'ain. Elbows. What do you have in your hand?
Brush.
That's a hairbrush?
Yeah.
فرشاة شعر.
Professor.
Hairbrush.
Earbrush.
فرشاة شعر.
Professor.
Are you brushing your hair? Nice. That's hair. What's hair in Arabic? شعر. شعر. What are you doing, Jana, now?
Washing my face.
What's face in Arabic?
Right now.
وجه.
Wash it.
Face. Can you say face?
Face.
What are you washing now?
I'm washing this.
That's called forehead.
Forehead.
Jabha. Are you wiping your eyelash?
Yeah.
Rimsh.
Rinse.
Rimsh.
Rinse.
And when we have two of them, we say eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Rumush.
Rouge.
What's that?
That's eye.
That's an eye. Can you say ayn?
Iron.
And two eyes is what? Aynain.
Amen.
Eyes.
Iron.
What's that above our eye? That's a hajib. Eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
Can you say eyebrows?
Eyebrow.
Hajibain.
Hajibay.
What's that, Jana?
Nose.
Nose? What's nose in Arabic? Say anf. Anf. What's that, Jana?
That was cool.
Mouth? Fem.
That's a toothbrush.
Toothbrush? Can you say فرشاة أسنان?
First that.
فرشاة أسنان. Toothbrush. What are you gonna put on the toothbrush?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. معجون أسنان. Toothpaste. You're brushing your teeth?
Yeah.
Nice. Are those teeth?
Yeah.
What's teeth in Arabic? Asnan.
Snack.
Asnan.
Snack.
One tooth is what, Baba? Sin. Tooth.
Tooth.
What are you doing now, Jana?
Drawing.
Drying? Is that a minshafa? Minshafa. Towel. What do you call this, Jana?
Toilet.
Toilet. That's mirhab. Mirhab. What is that?
That's a garbage.
Garbage. Qumama.
Grandma.
Qumama. Garbage. Jana, what are you sitting on? Sofa. Can you say arika?
Erika.
Arika.
Erika.
Sofa. What are you grabbing, Jana? That's a cushion. Cushion. Wisada. Wisada. What are you showing me, Jana? What's that?
TV.
TV. Can you say television? Television. TV. Or television.
Television.
What are you doing now?
I'm putting the curtain.
You're closing the curtain. Curtain in Arabic is sitara. Can you say sitara?
Serata.
Sitara.
Sitara.
Curtain.
Curtain.
What is this one?
Lamp.
That's a lamp. Can you say misbah? Misbah. Lamp.
Lamp.
What is that one on the wall, Jana?
Picture.
Yes, that's a picture. Surah. Surah. Picture.
Picture.
What are you pointing to? What is that up there?
Ceiling.
That's the ceiling of the house. Ceiling. Saqf. Jana, somebody's at the door. Bab.
Come in. مرحبا. Hello. مرحبا. كيف الحال؟ تفضلي. Come on in.
Marhaba.
مرحبا.
Where are you girls sitting?
On the chair.
What is table in Arabic? Tawila. Table. And when we sit at the table, people sit on what?
A chair. Chair.
Yes, when we have many of them, we say chairs. Chairs.
Chair.
Karasi. Karasi. And Rawan, when we sit on one chair, what's it called? Kursi. Kursi. Chair. What is this thing in the middle of the table? Is that a vase? Can you say vase? Vase. Mazhariya. What is that big thing behind you? That's a cabinet. Cabinet. Khizana. Rawan, what is this in front of you?
A plate.
That's a plate that people eat on?
Yeah.
Can you say sahan?
Like this. Like that.
Sahan.
Sahan.
Plate. Jana, what is that in your hand?
That's fork.
That's a fork. Can you say shauka?
Shoka.
Shauka.
Shoka.
Rawan, what is this one in your hand?
A spoon.
That's a spoon. Can you say mil'aqa?
Milaka.
Mil'aqa.
Milaka.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Okay, girls, what is this one?
A knife.
That's a knife?
Yeah.
Sikin.
Sakin.
Sikin.
Sakin.
Knife.
Knife.
Jana, what are you holding?
Up.
That's a cup. Can you say kub? Kub. What's Rawan holding in her hand?
I know.
What is it?
It's a milk.
Melech?
Yeah.
Salt.
Salt.
Melech.
Milk.
And usually we sprinkle food with it. Can you sprinkle? She's sprinkling salt. Melech.
Milk. Sour.
That's right. Salt is sour. Jana, what is that?
That
Sugar.
sugar.
Sukkar.
Sugar. Sweet.
Yes, sugar is sweet.
Thank you. Shukran. Masalama. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, share.